Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, it's another beautiful day here at Country Chevrolet, and you know what time it is. But before I get started, I want to remind you to show some love to your favorite car dealership here in Western Kentucky. Like, share, subscribe, press that notification bell so you get all of our updates. And let's begin. I have a 2022 Chevy Silverado 2500 heavy duty LT. Comes in a gorgeous Summit white. You have the black wheels with the black mirrors, the white trim on the mirrors. I mean, look at that. That is gorgeous. The black handles, gorgeous two-tone color. Has a 6.6 Duramax turbodiesel engine, 10-speed automatic transmission. Some aftermarket steps. Come inside here and you have a black leather interior with power locks, windows, mirrors. Of course, you have the tow mirrors, blind spot monitoring, as you can see. Let's begin right here. You have your tow haul mode. Of course, you have your drivetrain. All your light configurations, you have automatic lights. Come on at night. Little 8-inch infotainment system screen. Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. You have a backup camera. Of course, you have Chevy Maps if you have the data package through OnStar. Spotify for your music. Sirius XM. You do have heated seats. Dual climate control. There's your tailgate down and up. Parking sensors. I mean, this thing is nice. Integrated brake controller. Bluetooth, your cruise control settings. This 2022 does have 34,755 miles. So you have the rest of the limited powertrain factory warranty. Back here you have some charging ports. Under the seat storage. Comes with some rubber floor mats. It's always nice. Come on back here and you have side steps so you can reach up in the bed close to the cab. Side steps on the bumper. If you look closely in the Chevy, it is an American flag. Gotta love it. And of course with this, like I said, it has remote start, has a hands-free tailgate from a button on the remote and inside. It is gooseneck ready. And fifth wheel prep. You have the white matching bumpers. I mean, it's just the white and black two tones. I love the color scheme. Look, this thing will not last long. This thing will go quick. I've already had offers on it. I already have people interested in it. It hasn't even hit the lot yet. So my number's down in the description. So there's a website and the social media links. Call, text me, it's talk numbers, make a deal. Let's take this thing home. Don't wait until it's too late because it will not be here. Thanks for watching. Like I said, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.